Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to remove the backdrop of an expanded object in Adobe Illustrator. I do make videos all the time, so don't forget to subscribe as you watch this because I will definitely have a lot more Illustrator tutorials on this channel. So the first thing that we want to do is to take a shape like the rectangle tool or so on. It could be any shape based on the background that you want to get rid of. We take a shape, we click and drag it over the area that we want to remove. In this case, it's the layer down here. I'm going to color this red so that you could see the object clearly. I'm then going to go to my selection tool. I'm holding down shift and I will click the object in the background. We go to window, Pathfinder, which I already have enabled. I'll show you what it looks like disabled. And well, it's already disabled, and this is how it looks enabled. Come over to trim. Your job is done. Now we go back to our new shape that is over the backdrop. We double click it, triple click it if you have to. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to select. We press the delete button and it goes away. And that's how you delete an area of an expanded object on Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.